Hello friends, now we start the discussion on transformer periodic functions. अब ये पॉइंट के अंदर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम कि फाइंड द लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म of f of t is equals to, now I will start with the simple function. Suppose t and the function is 0 less than t less than 2 and t is greater than 2. One function I consider here. What this function says, what the actual period they have given in this expression. The complete interval is from the lowest interval to highest limit. Lowest limit to highest limit, this become our actual interval. Now in that there are two natures. First, a t function they given to us and another nature that is 0. But if I want to predict the interval for 4 to 8, what will be our function? T 0, 4 is less than t less than 6, 6 is less than t less than 8. So for nth period, nth block, we can predict what will be our f of t function. So अगर हम फंक्शन में कोई भी एक पीरियड ऐड कर लेते हैं, सपोज दैट कैपिटल T, देन इट विल नॉट इफेक्ट टू द फंक्शन रिमेन सेम. ये फंक्शन वैसे ही रहेगा. अगर हम इंटरवल चेंज भी कर देते हैं फ्रॉम 0 to 4 to 4 to 8, द फंक्शन रिमेन सेम. दैट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस f of t plus capital T is equals to f of t. तो ये हो गया पीरियोडिक नेचर है. तो इसीलिए हमें यहाँ पे इंप्लीमेंट करना है द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पीरियोडिक फंक्शन. मे बी आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन में मेंशन रहेगा सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम बाय यूजिंग पीरियोडिक फंक्शन. तो आपको वहां पे सिर्फ वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. नाउ लैप्लास ऑफ f of t, capital T value is nothing but the highest limit given in the function. So highest limit is 4, so this become our actual interval. Now here first I need to mention 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus s. Capital T value it is 4. So instead of this I will write down 4s. Limit from 0 to 4 e raised to minus st f of t dt. Now here the nature of function is given in two parts. तो इसीलिए इंटीग्रेशन भी हम दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं. 1 upon limits from 0 to 2 e raised to minus st. f of t value is capital T. 2 to 4 function value is 0. Not necessary to mention the second part, but for initially understanding purpose मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है function यहाँ पे 0 है, so this limit becomes 0. तो मुझे ये लिमिट सिर्फ सॉल्व करना है, which is equals to by using u into v formula of integration. First function plus minus first function as it is, integration of this इसका डेरिवेटिव, इसका इंटीग्रेशन limits from 0 to 2. See here how I taken here integration, a general part, integration by parts. First function as it is, integration of this plus minus alternate sign देना है, derivative of this in the bracket और इसका integration one side. Now substitute here for t variable upper limit t variable के लिए upper limit minus 2 upon s e raised to minus 2s, minus and minus become plus, and this minus 1 upon s square e raised to minus 2s. So these are the two terms for upper limit. Now for lower limit, t equal to 0, this minus and lower limit minus become 0, but t value if we substitute 0, it becomes 0. Minus and minus plus, this minus and lower limit minus, it become plus e raised to 0 1 upon s square. So this complete the discussion of Laplace transform of given function. Now the function it is in periodic nature. The period has been given 0 to 4. In that the nature is t and 0. So for this periodic we use here formula. ये हमने फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंट किया है और फॉर्मूले से इसको सॉल्व किया है. थैंक यू.